In this video, we're going to be talking about centroids. And in order to create the centroid for a triangle, I'm going to first create the triangle itself. So there's our triangle. Now, from that, I'm going to find the midpoint for each of these. There's the midpoint of AB. Here's the midpoint of BC. And here's the midpoint of AC. Then I'm going to create the medians for this triangle. Each triangle has three sides, so it should have three medians. So I connect from A to E, there's one. From C to D, there's two. And from B to F, there's three. Now notice that all three medians cross at one point right there. So I'll put a point there and call it G. In this case, point G is the centroid of this triangle. The centroid is the center of gravity for the triangle. It's where the mass is kind of centered at. It is also considered to be the center of this triangle. And so we can use this to find the center of our triangle here, and that's what we did. We found it at point G. Now I want to show you something unique about this, some more unique things about this. I'm going to find the length for each of these sides. So for B to G, there's our length. From G to F, from G to C, from G to D, from G to E, and G to A. Now let me move this around a bit here so we can see these a little bit easier. Here are the points in the lengths in question. And I'm going to even move the triangle a bit here. What I'd like you to notice is that if we were to take, say, one of these sides, like our 1.796, and double it, that's going to result in us having 3.792. If we take our 1.891 and double it, there's our 3.782. And so as we move these around, we can find that the long part of our median, so from the centroid to the vertex, is going to be double the length from the centroid to the midpoint. So from G to F, it's 1.004. From G to B, it's 2.008, doubled in size. Okay, so from centroid to vertex is 2/3 of the entire length of the median, while centroid to midpoint is only 1/3 of the length. Okay, so that's what a centroid is, and that's how you can find certain things on these. For now, we are done.